Good day. We will be focusing on security aspect of the Docker container for this sharing. Containers can build and deployed into production environment via CI/CD pipeline. Images can be pulled from the repository and deployed into the environment as part of the automation. However, containers may have contained vulnerabilities, hence it is important to verify the security health status before pushing them into production. Docker Trusted Registry (DTR) is the image storage solution from Docker and can be used to securely store and manage Docker images. DTR contains security features such as image scanning, user audit logs and image signing. Image scanning process allows us to detect vulnerabilities in Docker image. When using the image scanning feature, do take note that one design consideration is the usage of KVE database, which can be online or offline. The image scanning can also be conducted via on-push method or manually. Some of the Docker security best practices include: only use images from trusted source. Use only thin and short-lived containers to reduce the surface of attack. Avoid mixing containers with different purpose and with different data classification. It is a bad practice to mix internet-exposed container on the same host that host critical internal functions. Docker Security Bench Security is an auditing tool that will analyze the configuration and help you to validate if the containers are hardened accordingly. Another tool for consideration is the use of file integrity scanning on the Docker configuration file to detect unauthorized modification. Maintaining inventory list of processes running on containers and host is an important task to establish the baseline configuration and to detect possible unauthorized modification or security breaches. As all the containers on a host share the same Linux kernel, hence if there is kernel vulnerability, the entire host may be compromised. Hence it is recommended to use SECComp, Secure Computing Mode, to block off unnecessary system calls. It is the key feature to consider for running Docker with the least privilege. To prevent possible excessive usage of one container affecting the performance on rest of containers, limiting the computing resource of the container approach should be adopted. CPU and memory utilization are the possible resources that can be restricted. One good way to learn further on Docker is to visit the website trainingplaywithdocker.com. Or you can also visit Docker Security in docker.com website to read up more on Docker security. That's all for the sharing on this topic. Thank you.